Hello, this video is on the limit of a function and it's part 4 of a series. Here we're going to be working with this function f of x, and here is a graph of it. So here are the problems we're going to be working out. Now I recommend that you work out these problems first before I do, and so just pause the video right here and then go back and try to solve them and then check your answers at the end. So I'm assuming you paused it, and so let's continue on. Now let's do number A right here, or letter A. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 0, what is that? So let's see, where is 0? Here's 0. And as f of x is approaching 0 from the left, you're going to get right here about 3.5. And if you're approaching from the right, you're going to get the same thing, 3.5. So the answer to A is about 3.5. So here we have 3.5. Sloppy. 3.5. Okay, so now let's take the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left. So here we have 2 on the x-axis, and we're approaching over here. And as you're approaching 2, you're going to come to 3. So the answer to the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left is 3. Now let's go on to C. In C, the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right, so let's see here. So here's f of x, and we're approaching 2 from the right, so we're coming this way. And as we get to 2, we're actually going to get the answer of 1. So the answer to this is 1. So now let's go on to D. The limit of f of x is as x approaches 3. So here's f of x. And as it approaches 3 from the right side, you're going to get to this point. And as it approaches 3 from the left side, you're going to get to this point. So that's going to be equal to 2. So scroll down. So this is 2. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 is equal to 2. Now what happens if we just plug in 2 into the function? What do we get? Well, if you plug in 2 into this function, so here's f of x. Where's my mouse? So here's f of x, and when you plug in 2 into this function, you're going to get the value of 2, this point right here. So the answer to that is 2. Okay, so there you go. I hope these problems made sense, and I hope you got them all right. If by any chance some of this didn't make sense, I recommend you go back and you check the previous videos. It explains a lot in more detail, a lot of these problems. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck in your classes.